Okay guys, hello. Okay guys, do you know that his channel is just 10 subscribers, guys?
Yes.
He tried hard the videos and you dislike it and you thought it's ugly. You thought it's cringe, but no, he tried hard for his best, guys. So just subscribe him. The channel name is Leonardo Pura. You can search my colored pencils videos and see the comment of Leonardo Pura. Are you sad? Are you happy, bro? I made
You upload video,
What's
making
just don't mind it.
Is that the games?
Yeah, that's some games.
Is that?
Just subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Yeah, follow for more. His goal to get is 120 subscribers or above. Do you want some 120 subscribers, bro?
Yes.
Do you want some 1,000 subscribers?
Yes.
Like me?
Yes.
Everyone, my subscribers, subscribe to him, okay guys?
You upload
Goodbye.
on your channel how to make banana bread.
Okay guys. Goodbye guys. Thank you for subscribing him.
Yes. Thanks.
Don't break your promise, okay guys? Bye-bye.